This conference will now be recorded.
So in last class we did with say debit and credit notes. So here next is a stock journal voucher, inventory voucher, which is also called as manufacturing voucher, where it is used to transfer the stock in the go downs from one go down to another go down. Here there will be no accounts involved because whatever stock is go down one, go down two, both are your go downs only, your stock, your purchased stock only. So you are not going to purchase it, you are only going to transfer it. For example, your shop is near in go down one, okay, above. So you have a order of 100 chairs. You have only 50 chairs with you. So from go down 2, you will transfer 50 stock to go down 1 for the sales. So for what sale, why sale, that will not be seen. Only the transfer from one go down 1 to go down 2 to go down 1 will be shown in the stock journal voucher. Please take down this. Okay. So stock journal voucher, alt. Okay, so you go to alt F7, stock journal voucher. See here, you can see it is little different from the vouchers you created till date. Okay, so what is that is here, see your source, that is the consumption destination, that is from where to where, source to destination. So Dell computers from Bangalore to, see what you need to do is when you come here, hold space, so you can see Dell computers. Again, you come here, space, you get the list of go downs. So you see in which go down the particular stock is enter. give the quantity. So 25 quantity I will transfer from Dell computers. See, automatically the amount is being put. Enter, enter. Again the same this space. Oh, sorry. From Bangalore 2 to Bangalore 1, I am transferring 25 numbers. Being Dell computers transferred from Bangalore 2 to Bangalore 1. Do it, class. Anybody any doubt? Same way, transfer again transfer 10 numbers Dell computers from Bangalore 1 to Bangalore 3. One more problem. Same Dell computers only. That time you'll know the difference. See.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Yeah, we'll do it. You want me to repeat this or you want me to repeat the question?
The question, ma'am.
Dell computers, 10 numbers from Bangalore 1, that is now where which you did just this number 1 stock gen. Bangalore 1 to Bangalore 3. I mean, you can put that in different. If you put go down 1, go down 2, go down 1 to go down 3.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Once done, put 1, at least 1, 2 of you, so that I'll continue. Okay. There was one girl who asked for attendance after the class. I don't remember. Was that Vidya? I've put absent, but you were there in the class.
No, ma'am, it was not me.
Okay, I told somebody to remind me. I don't have my phone. Okay, let's see. Next, now in this voucher, what you did from one company, one go down to another go down, you have transferred the stock. So now, for example, I found 5 mouse. Okay, mouse, not the running mouse, computer mouse. So I don't know, it might be as a sample, it might be as a free gift, or it might come as in discount, or it might be my own. It may be in any form, but I don't have the bill of that. Okay, I don't have an invoice, I don't know the I don't know from where is it come. I mean, here it is not required to give from where it is come, but you don't have the you physically the stock is there, but it is not there in the records. So at that time we can put them into records if you want to sell that using physical stock voucher. Take down this. So this is used for recording the actual stock which is verified or counted. So this basically happens when, like, you are buying 100 keyboards, then he gives you 5 or 10 free with you, but you will have in the invoice you will put 100 only, but then in the stock, because you have purchased 100, but in the stock it will be 105. So at that time, that particular 5 you can put that in the stock voucher. If you put 105 in the invoice, that 105 in 2000 it will take. So that is the reason you are supposed to give it like this. Take down this class. So you go to physical stock, control F7. You give the, now I will add the ledger books. In the go down 100, see, it will directly go to quantity. It will not go to the, for example, if I want to give one more, I'll keep 1000 number, 1000, 100 numbers in Bangalore 3, and again in Bangalore 1 I will keep 50 numbers. Enter. That's all. Do it, class. After this, what I want you to do is I want you to take I want you to do 3 physical stock, that is take Vivo mobiles, Logitech printers, and add gel pens using physical stock. Apart from this, 3 physical stock vouchers. After that, we'll see our stock summaries. So computers, Dell computers. So you can see how much is there, which month, enter. So you can see how you, for how much you have purchased, what is your debit note, what is your stock journal. So all based on stock called Dell will be shown in Dell stock summary. Same way here, all the stocks will be here. Okay. Go to inventory box, stock items, each one you can see it is not there. So month wise you can see each stock wise. So stock group summary. If you have many numbers, I mean many different items in stock in computers, then it will show you that all the stocks. Same way stock category summary. Stock transfer, just now we did stock journal voucher. So that summary will be shown how many and what you have done. Physical stock. View class everyone. Once you're done, put one if you're done. Once you're done with the vouchers, see that you do with the reports.
What reports, ma'am?
Now just now I showed you. Go back, go to see the stock summary, then go open display more reports. Under that inventory books, all these reports open in view.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in purchase voucher.
Hmm.
Purchase voucher, I had a doubt in that.
Tell me.
I'm not able to like put the sorry, I'm not able to create that purchase account, ma'am, the ledger.
What is that it is showing you?
It is showing purchase account already exists.
Okay. Go back to come to gateway of tally.
Yes, ma'am.
In gateway of tally, go to alter.
Yes, ma'am.
In that, go to ledger.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to purchase account. You can see there. In that ledger, do you have purchase account?
Yes, ma'am.
Enter that.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read that now?
Purchase
What
account,
all
it
is
shows liabilities.
next? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Please, can you read me? What is it showing you?
It is showing ledger alteration name purchase account under current liabilities.
What is purchase account? Purchase account comes under purchase account only.
Oh,
See in
okay.
the go to that group. To the right, you can see purchase account. Select under purchase account. Now it will be there in your. I mean, you can do a purchase now.
Okay, ma'am. The second doubt is
Hmm.
in the voucher creation, that the quantity
Hmm.
and the rate is not, that option is not coming on me, ma'am. It's directly going to total rate.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
I'm actually joining the meeting through my phone, ma'am.
Okay, is that not possible for you to do it on the screen?
Sorry, ma'am.
Is that not possible for you to join from the system?
No, ma'am. There's no Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, one
Should
second.
I group, ma'am?
Sorry?
Should I send the picture of my screen on the group?
No, I got to know what you need to do is, because there are a lot of steps. Now, what I want you to do is go to Gateway of Tally, alter,
Yes, ma'am.
under alter, go to stock item,
Yes, ma'am.
open Dell computers,
Yes, ma'am.
and now read.
It is showing stock item alteration name Dell computers under computers.
Next.
Nothing, ma'am. Units not applicable. That's all.
So there you need to give numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
You have created units.
Yes, ma'am. I've created units.
Now instead of not applicable, give there as numbers. Now it will be seen in your purchase voucher. Do that. I'll give you time. Do that. If not, come back to me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
It is still like that only, ma'am. It's directly jumping to amount.
Please, can it send me a picture?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you do this under alter here only? You did control enter, or you went to the steps as I told and you did?
I did as you said,
See,
ma'am.
no, now see, you put numbers to Dell computers, but you're purchasing petrol.
But I did for petrol also.
Can you send me that picture?
Sorry, ma'am.
Send me a picture of stock item.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to alter stock item. Send me a picture of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Save this, enter and save. Now try. See, I will do one stock item and show you new one. Do a new one only and see what happens. I'll just take under computers, under electronic numbers. Do this.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Mm,
same, ma'am.
tell me.
It is directly jumping to the amount.
Even after you did this,
Yes.
send me a picture of your purchase voucher.
Sorry, ma'am.
Open purchase voucher. Send me a picture of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Why is it not applying? Do with me. Open purchase account. Do as same as I'm doing. Here do Alt C. We'll create one. keep it primary, not applicable. Here, numbers. Now, do it. What happened? What was the mistake?
I don't know, ma'am. When I created on spot,
I cannot hear you. What was the thing on spot? I couldn't hear you. Okay. Anyways, you got that's now. Oma. ఓ ఆ కై వచ్చునాయిలే ఆ ఆ కై వచ్చునాయిలే Sorry. So next, we will be going to GST. GST is a goods and service tax, where which is okay. Class, you have studied about GST?
No, ma'am.
No GST. No one here heard GST topic? Which year are you all? All final years? No, final second year, first year.
Second year, ma'am.
Second year. So most of them second year then. Everyone. Okay. So maybe GST part has not come. So GST is a goods and service tax, which is levied on most of the things. Okay. So we say it's an indirect tax, where we say one tax for the whole nation, one tax for all tax. So I have one PowerPoint which I can open, but there are few points which is not applicable. I will let you know that instead of me blindly explaining you. Just give me a minute. GST, you can take down this. It's what unified common market, where it was one tax for all. You don't have to pay tax for each and every time when you're purchasing the same product. GST is a single tax on the supply of goods and services. Right from the manufacturer to the customer will be the same. Okay, just take down this. Next, so what are the advantages and disadvantages of GST? So benefits of GST, excuse me. So the benefits for business will be like they'll have one um, a frame, a form, okay, like this is what it must be. So it will be easy for them to know what, when they are supposed to give the what particular product will have what percentage of GST. Uniformity of tax, that is what. Removal of cascading. Cascading is under one. For example, if uh, X is purchasing for example, he's purchasing like if he's doing a table, okay, he's purchasing for the table, no, he'll have to like mm, okay, now he will purchase the raw materials. Okay, when he's purchasing the raw materials, but he'll not be able to add the tax together. Like if he's purchasing for 5%, he will be selling that for 5% only. It is not that he will have to pay for one under one for one particular item. He will not have to pay too many taxes for one item. Same way here, competitions will increase. That is because you will have the same percentage. So in the tax, you cannot play. Like your neighbor, your competitor will also have the same table. He'll also have to put 5%. You will also have to put 5%. So here, what happens? Your quality in giving, your ways of marketing depends here. So the competition increases. Then you have gain. So here the same way, that will be the gain for the manufacturers, because when a particular manufacturer, then a distributor, so and so, the manufacturer gets less profit. But here it will not be that, because everyone will have the same percentage and same this. Then for the government, it will be easy and simple, because it is easier to track one than tracking 100. So all the particular one product, so it is based on all edible products, everything will be there under one list. So same way, it will be easier for them to understand the tax collected. So same way, better control on leakage. So there will be less bribe things under, like what all is, how much tax is collected, how much tax was supposed to be collected. So those things will be less. So revenue will be higher. For the customer, for us, it will be easier for us to, it will be all in transparent mode. That is, even we will have the list of GST percentages. So a supplier cannot charge us more than it is, because usually everything will be put on a customer, so that thing will be less. Take down only the points which is required, not compulsory to take everything. So under what all these taxes, when I mean all these taxes together, one tax, that is GST, was being considered. Under each taxes, you can take this. You can just take a look or take down. Jai Shri. Gauri, you're there? Wait, I'll open. I have few. Okay, I will do that later. I have few things to talk to you. Okay, I'll finish this part. Now you can see my screen. Class, you can see the screen.
No, ma'am.
1 second. Now, class now.
Yes, ma'am.
Products that are not considered under. Yes, take down this.
This conference will now be recorded.
Just read it. It's all what I've explained. Okay, the last part here says transaction within state. So if it is inside a state, it is intrastate. That is, if the transaction is between in Bangalore or with Bangalore, Mysore, so that will be intrastate. If the transaction is between the state, then we call it as interstate. Like if it is between Bangalore and Chennai, then it will be interstate. Intrastate, interstate. This plays very important role here. These two points. Just read them. So the registration part, when you have, is this recording? Okay. When a particular a regular dealer, that is a person who is eligible for GST, he for a registration, what are the things? If in the special categories states, so there are few states which are under special category stage, AP, Assam, Jammu Kashmir, Manipal, Meghalaya, so and so. For all these states, if the business whose aggregate turnover in a financial year exceeds 10 lakhs, then he is supposed to register. Okay, he will come under a regular dealer. And for the rest of India, whose aggregate turnover in a financial year exceeds more than 20 lakhs, has to mandatory register under GST. So this is what a threshold limit for these particular dealers. Just take this note.
Ma'am, what is the threshold limit?
Threshold limit means you say the ultimate limit. Like if his turnover is more than 10 lakhs, threshold is the line. You can just say like maximum line. So
Ma'am,
if
is
it is
10
more
lakhs
than
the
that,
income they earn?
no. It is the profit they do. I mean the total
Profits.
transaction, not no. You cannot take your turnover is what you are putting that for the next year. So which something like your net amount, what is there in the business. So basically, it is profit only is what you can take.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah. So you cannot take it as profit. Complete your transaction is to be calculated. You should take down this. Even the special category states are to be taken down. For your examination, you might require this. So who will come under the composite dealer is, I mean, who can opt, like he can say that he will be a composite dealer, whose any manufacturer or traders whose turnover limit will be less than 1.5 crores in the financial year. This is 50 lakhs, you should do this as 1.5 crores. Okay, this was initial and started. So it must not be more than one. So here it must any limit about 10 lakhs to about 20 lakhs can be there. But here it should not exceed 1.5 crores. So there are a few advantages if you're there in a composite scheme. So that is what people try being in composite scheme where you'll have less tax, there'll be no tax. It is basically for suppliers, and your interstate taxes also will be levied. So that is what composite dealers' advantages are. So just it is not required. I'll just tell you one. So you'll have to register under this form, okay? And within 6 months, you will have to submit all the details, all the documents required. And then if details or information is satisfactory, registration certificate will be issued. Okay, if certificate, you'll get the registrations. If no, then you need to show the cause. It'll in this give you the cause of the in this notice gives you the cause. Why is that your GST is rejected? And then hearing on showcase notice, that is what all the causes are successful. No, then you need to give the cancellation order to provision registration. That means if even whatever in this particular case will be no, then you will get cancelled. That means you will not be able to get the GST certificate. If yes, that means if you have given all the documents, if it is successful, then you will get your certificate, registration certificate. You can just take a look. You don't have to write down or anything. Okay, so this is a very important topic, that is how the registration number of a GST will be. So the registration number of GST is considered to be 15 digits. Okay, where first two will be your state code, then the PAN number of the registered person, 10 numbers, PAN numbers. That will PAN number will consist of 5 alphas, 4 numbers, and a alpha. And then will be the entity code based on your business, and a blank digit, just a number for being different, and then the check digit based on your company. So this is what a 15-digit code. take down this. Okay, class. Type one this in the Google. One address tallysolutions.com. Sorry. Okay, tallysolutions.com slash GST or wait, you can just put as GST state code hyphen state. It will not show you. Go to tallysolutions.com. Under that you have GST state code. So open that. You get a list of the state codes. Okay. Complete, write down the state codes there. 1 Jammu Kashmir, 37 Andhra Pradesh. Is that clear? Everyone? Do it. As they're from as I was lovely, is not able to be written, that's why. Deepika, yes, I believe I gave you present. Let me check. Okay, take down class, do it. Write down the. No, no. I told you to write down the state codes, no? All 29. That is because using these state codes, we will be doing inter and intra this in the next class. So that is why.